So you want to start an online business or an online side hustle, but you have no idea what you are going to sell and no idea how you're going to actually make some money. Well, in this video, I'm actually going to teach you how to come up with a whole list of products that you can start selling right now. Stay tuned. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If we haven't met yet, my name is Shane and this is Operation Passive Income, and this channel is all about starting online businesses, creating new passive income streams, and helping you come up with the best plan possible to get you making some money from your bedroom. Because making money from your bedroom is fun. Nobody can tell you it's not. But one of the first things that if you're going to make some money from your bedroom, if you're going to start this online side hustle, you're going to have a product or two or 12 that you can recommend and sell, or a product that you can create and sell, which can absolutely be done. And that's what we're going to be talking about in this video. So if you guys stay all the way to the end, I promise that you're going to have a better idea of how to come up with a list of products in your niche that you can sell today. Now, if this is your guys' first time coming to my channel, I have already talked about what it means to actually pick a niche and how to figure out what kind of space you really want to play in. So if you don't have a niche yet, I highly recommend you guys take a look at the video I'm going to link right up here on how to go through and find a niche that you want to work within. But let's say that you've already done that. You have a niche, you know where you want to kind of play, the kind of content you want to create, which if you do, that's awesome. And I really actually want to hear that. So go ahead, let me know, what niche are you looking to be in? And I will happily answer questions that you guys might have as far as help actually finding products that you can sell. Because it's important. And when you start creating content, you want to start to see some of that monetization on the back end, right? If you're wanting to do this as a side hustle, I don't recommend waiting on ad revenue for your blog or ad revenue from your YouTube channel in order to start your monetization. You can actually start day one. In fact, just to kind of let you know, my very first YouTube video has already generated me some income. Not a lot of income because this is a pretty new channel, but it's actually from this guy, this thing right here. I recommended this in one of my YouTube videos and somebody bought it, and so we earned a commission on something like this. And so that's kind of what I'm talking about tonight, is how do you create a list of products that you can actually recommend and sell and make some money off of. Now, when you're first starting out your online side hustle, I would say that there's two places that you can really start to generate an income. The very first one is going to be through affiliate marketing, just offering products through an affiliate link that you have in either a blog post, a social media post, or a YouTube channel down in the description, right? And you guys have probably seen those from tons of different YouTubers out there. If you're just starting out, you're not going to be able to integrate a merch store. You're not going to be pulling in ad revenue. You won't be able to monetize, but that doesn't mean you can't monetize. Doesn't mean you can't generate income from the content that you're putting out. But you want to start to break this up into three different segments. First one being physical products. What physical products within your niche can you offer to your audience? The second one is software. Now keep in mind, you're probably already playing within your niche anyway, so what softwares might you be using? Whether it be simple things that are, cross niches like Evernote or QuickBooks or SendShare, or what softwares do you use within your niche that you could recommend to other people, right? And I'm sure you guys see a lot of YouTubers who are teaching YouTube content, how to create YouTube channels. They're offering things like TubeBuddy, right? Or vidIQ. That is a software they recommend because they earn a good affiliate commission for that, and it's a great tool to use. And then the third category being digital products. Now, these digital products can be products that you create, offer, and sell, or they could be digital products that you could loop that back into the affiliate links, right? And do the affiliate marketing and offer other people's courses, other people's content, other people's spreadsheets or step-by-steps. However, I would honestly recommend that if there's some of that out there, create your own version and sell your own digital products. So now that you've split that up, and you should have 3 columns. If you don't have a notepad and a pen and paper, or if you're not taking notes on your phone while this is playing on something else, then you guys are missing out, because I want you really thinking about this, because you would be super, super surprised, right? Now I'm gonna use what I'm doing right now as an example, right? So I'm creating a YouTube video teaching people how to create an online side hustle. Well, if you guys want to use YouTube as a way to kind of do this, I could recommend these 2 lights. I can recommend this microphone. I can recommend the tripod that my camera's on right now. I can recommend the camera that I'm actually using. But where do you actually get those links? Well, one of the fastest and easiest ways to actually start affiliate marketing is through Amazon. And I'm gonna go ahead and link another video. It's actually the last video that I published on a step-by-step that I put together that actually walks you through how to use Amazon Associates to find products and sell them by finding the link and providing that in your content. So I'm gonna go ahead and link that up right here. Watch that, it's a step-by-step. I take you through everything. But there's also 2 other affiliate programs in there, one CJ Affiliates, the other one being Share a Sale. And those are other affiliate platforms that you can find to actually offer physical products or even digital products that you can offer to your niche. Let's go ahead and use another example. Let's say that your niche is in the fitness niche, right? Maybe, and if we niche it down a little bit, let's say you're in the yoga niche. Well, you could be offering yoga mats, yoga pants, yoga blocks, yoga bands, right? Those are all different things that you can do reviews of, how you can do a giveaway on it to generate your email list. Right there is a whole list of physical products that you can put together to do. Now, if you wanted to take a look at software, there could be paid apps that you could become an affiliate for as well, whether that be, how long you go through the yoga or how many calories that you're burning, a weight loss diet program. Those things like that can be a software service that you can actually offer and sell as well. And if you're doing it for yoga for weight loss, well, guess what? You can also be an affiliate for Beachbody or Weight Watchers. And those are a couple examples that I actually put in that video that I just mentioned that can be other digital products and software that you can offer to people where you earn an income by just being the person who recommends it. And then lastly, talking about the digital product space. I am a huge advocate for selling digital products. And a lot of people think digital products are just in the way of online courses. And while online courses are phenomenal, it's a great way to have a high ticket item for your audience, it's really not the best place to start because you haven't built up a name for yourself yet. You don't have that diehard audience that's going to spend $1,000 on that course right from the get-go. But they may be willing to pay $5, $10, $15 for a digital product that you offer on a way to actually get that, whatever it is that you may be looking to sell, right? It could be a planner. You could put together a yoga workout planner that is your routine. It's a routine that you build, you believe in, and you could sell that routine for $9.99 as a PDF that people can follow. But it's a way that you can start generating money today. Now, if you're looking to actually start selling digital products, you don't need a website to even do that. In fact, one platform that I highly recommend is SendOwl. You can be up and running with a digital product that you can sell right now. All it takes is you just building the product itself. You build the PDF. I would use Canva is one that I would highly recommend. And I actually have a link for you guys down below for that. You get 30 days free. But then also, once you build that PDF in Canva and make it look all nice and pretty and have your branding on it, you can put that right into SendOwl, and you've got a shopping cart where people can go through and pay through PayPal or credit card, and you've just sold your very first digital product. In fact, I've got a link for you guys as well. You can try SendOwl out for 30 days free by clicking the link down below. And when you do, those are affiliate links, so it helps support me and my channel for teaching you guys how to do this stuff, right? So This is how this shared economy kind of works. It's pretty awesome. But that right there is probably one of the best examples that I can give you. That is a software that I use, right, to create our online business. If you're looking to create your online business, that is a product that I recommend to you, and I would earn a commission on it if you clicked on it. It's not asking, it's not begging, it's recommending, because that is a tool that we used to build our business up. We've made a lot of money using Sendowl with our other niches by creating products that had value for our customers, right? And that's really what you're looking to do. Remember, when you're building your product list, the goal is to serve your audience. It's to serve people within your niche. It's to help fulfill a need or a desire, or to help them solve a problem. If you accomplish one of those two things, you can sell something online. It's awesome. It's how you make money from your bedroom. It's how you can start to work away from your normal 9 to 5 and start finding some of that freedom for yourself. It's an amazing opportunity that we all have right now in this space. Now, as a little free gift for you guys, I've got another little thing, and this is a way that you guys can actually check out Sendowl. I've got a little download for you guys down below, and this is actually a product list guide. It'll help you kind of navigate your way through that, where you can actually go explore a couple of these places and create a product list for yourself. And do not be afraid that you have too much on it. I would say as you're going through and brainstorming and you're putting your product list together, have a combination of all three of them. You should have a list of physical products that you would recommend, a series of softwares or apps that you can also recommend in that as well, and then start brainstorming of some different digital products that you can put together. Step-by-step guides, right? Excel document trackers, even a little ebook, something that's 60, 70 pages that tells your story and motivates somebody to do something within your niche. All of those things have value. And when they have value, they sell, right? And if you guys want to check out any more of this stuff, if you like this video, do me a favor, smash that like button for me and make sure to subscribe. Hit the little bell notification. I make a new video every Monday and Thursday, getting ready to really kind of ramp this stuff up. But be sure to take a look at the channel itself. If you guys want to know how to find and pick a niche, I have a video all about that. If you want to learn how to sell digital products online, I've got a video about that. If you need to know how to actually use Amazon Associates to find yourself some links to sell something, I now have a video on that. So be sure to subscribe. I'm going to be coming out with a ton more content to help you create a plan of action for your online business, to create new passive income streams. And I can't wait to see you on the next one. Big shout out to everybody who's gone through and subscribed recently. Really appreciate it. You guys don't know how much it means to me. Really helping to fuel my growth as I keep learning this whole YouTube thing. It's pretty cool. It's a lot of fun. But be sure to check out a couple of these other videos. There's going to be like right here. And I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.